Hi friends, I have brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Montekan. Montekan has 10 milligrams of Montelukast Sodium in every tablet. The box has 14 tablets in it. It's made by Jaskan Pharmaceuticals. The price for the box is 310 rupees. Montelukast is used to prevent wheezing, difficulty breathing, chest tightness and coughing caused by asthma in adults and children 12 months of age and older. Montelukast is also used to prevent bronchospasm, breathing difficulties during exercise in adults and children 16 years of age and older. Montelukast is also used to treat the symptoms of seasonal allergic rhinitis, sneezing, stuffy, runny or itchy nose in adults and children 2 years of age and older, and perennial that occurs all year round allergic rhinitis in adults and children 6 months of age and older. Montelukast should be used to treat seasonal or perennial allergic rhinitis only in adults and children who cannot be treated with other medications. Montelukast is in a class of medications called leukotriene receptor antagonists. It works by blocking the action of substances in the body that causes the symptoms of asthma and allergic rhinitis. Montelukast comes as a tablet, a chewable tablet and granules to be taken by mouth. This is the usual tablet. Montelukast is usually taken once a day with or without food. When Montelukast is used to treat asthma, it should be taken in the evening. When Montelukast is used to prevent breathing difficulties during exercise, it should be taken at least 2 hours before exercise. If you are taking Montelukast once a day on a regular basis, or if you have taken a dose of Montelukast within the past 24 hours, you should not take an additional dose before exercising. Montelukast controls the symptoms of asthma and allergic rhinitis but does not cure these conditions. Continue to take Montelukast even if you feel well. Do not stop taking Montelukast without talking to your doctor. This medication may be prescribed for other uses. Ask your doctor or pharmacist for more information. Skip the missed dose and continue your regular dosing schedule. Do not take a double dose to make up for a missed one. Do not take more than one dose of Montelukast in a 12-hour period. There are some side effects of this medication which include headache, heartburn, stomach pain, tiredness, diarrhea, etc. Some serious side effects. If you experience any serious side effects, you should contact with your doctor immediately. If you have difficulty breathing or swallowing, swelling of the face, throat, tongue, lips or eyes, hoarseness, itching, rash, hives, blistering, peeling or shedding skin, flu-like symptoms, rash, pins and needles or numbness in your arms or legs, pain and swelling of your sinuses, ear pain, fever, etc. Montelukast may cause other side effects. Call your doctor if you have any unusual problems while taking this medication. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.